Young B. Think I got the big head. Jeweled up, ice ain't color lemon head. Check me out, I'm checking in. Salute to the city, they like that he go again. 285, ripping for the city. I remember days I was drug dealing. Now we rich, ain't no more drug dealing. Now I'm high, higher than the ceiling. Oh man, had to scratch my head on this. Stupid dumb, I'ma go so sped on this. What the heck? He spent on the wrist. That's your girlfriend, tell me why she on my. Ooh, what you mean, kid? Blizzard, man. How the skillet get with a ceiling fan? 285, on rip it hard. Southside. Oh my gosh, this our year, man. Shout out to that boy Chan. I told him, man, we gon' make $1 million. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, you know it's me. Too turned up when it's only me. With a knob it, tell them sucker turn it up. They too turned down. Where the heck they from? They can't be where I'm from, cause we don't rock like that. Rock that ice, then I let my top back. Rip my set, there you go again. Ice below, blow and draw again. Shout out the whole clique, shout out to my town. 285, man, it's going down. Check me again, dang, there is shine. Woo. Full-time grind, boy, you have time. Woo. They like what's that smell, that strong odor. Mippin' B12 with that baking soda. Woo. Excuse my French, we ain't gonna talk about that. Shorty said, boy, I know you got that set. Hold up, man. I set an example. Toolie clean, it ain't even got no hammer. Woo. Bust a sucker tater tot real quick. Call him smack potatoes if you messing with the click. Oh, man.